Hello, my name is Wendy Martinez, and in this video I'm going to explain you about the vowel sound A. For the vowel sound A, the lips are not rounded, they are relaxed. The tongue is tense, moves from the mid-high to the high position. You can see the picture and you can practice with me. Repeat after me. A is a combination about the sound E and the sound I. A. We have common spelling cases for A. The first one is the vowel A plus consonant plus E. Ate, came, take. AI, rain, great, pain. AY, say, away, play. EY, they, survey, obey. EIGH, wake, ate, neighbor. Also we have word pairs for practice. The number one is the same day, stay away, escape from jail, take a break, stay the same. And that's all for this video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.